At Stanford Neuroscience Labs discovered something remarkable about the human eye. They found a hidden capability, a focus switch inside your visual system. It is not controlled by glasses. It is not controlled by surgery. It is controlled by a natural, deeply intelligent rhythm of your own muscles. It is called optical plasticity. The eye's built-in system for zooming, sharpening, and locking onto targets with eagle-like precision. If you follow this 3-minute vision ritual this morning, the difference may surprise you by this afternoon. Colors may look brighter. Edges may look sharper. That subtle blur you've come to accept as normal may already begin to fade. Most people feel a shift after the very first session. By day 3, reading becomes effortless. By week 1, you begin to feel a new sense of command over your environment. You will feel this for yourself soon. But first, there is something important to understand. Vision is not just about seeing. Vision is focus. Vision is intent. And deep within your eyes, your nervous system holds a secret mechanism, one that modern science is just beginning to map. But ancient hunters and archers lived by instinct. Long before eye charts existed, they practiced the long gaze, a gentle, rhythmic shifting of focus to keep their aim true and their eyes tireless. Today, you will learn that rhythm. It is simple, gentle, and profoundly effective. What the ancients felt through survival, Stanford science now confirms with precision. You will learn the steps in just a moment, but first, let us understand what happens when this system stays locked. Look at the world around you right now. Does it feel spacious? Or does it feel confined? In our modern life, we rarely look past our own hands. Phone screens, books, walls. We live in a visual box. When we do this, the tiny muscles inside our eyes, the ciliary muscles, freeze in one position. Imagine holding a heavy weight in your hand and never putting it down. Your arm isn't broken, it is just cramping. It is the same with your eyes. That blurriness isn't just age, it is dormancy. It is your eyes waiting for a signal to release, a signal to expand, a signal to sharpen. This isn't a flaw in your biology. This is your visual system waiting for permission to work at full capacity again. Here is the good news. Stanford research shows that the eye is incredibly responsive. Just like you can train your body, you can train your visual grip. When you practice specific focal shifts, you trigger 2 powerful mechanisms. First, you activate accommodation flexibility. This unlocks the lens, allowing it to snap into focus instantly, whether near or far. Second, you trigger panoramic vision. Dr. Andrew Huberman explains that when you widen your gaze, you signal your brain to release stress chemicals. You move from tunnel stress to panoramic calm. Science explains the mechanics. The ritual masters the experience. Let's bring them together. 1 habit, 3 minutes, total clarity. Your eyes remember this rhythm. They only ask you to return. You can do this standing or sitting. Ideally, look out a window or into a large room. Step 1. The soft gaze. Preparation. Close your eyes for a moment. Soften your forehead. Relax the tiny muscles around your eyelids. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes gently. Do not stare. Just receive the light. Step 2. The smooth pursuit. Control. Hold your thumb out in front of you. Keep your head perfectly still, like a statue. Move your thumb slowly, left to right. Let your eyes lock onto your thumbnail. Track it smoothly. like an eagle watching prey. No jumping, just flow. Feel the control returning. Step 3. The horizon jump. Power. Now, keep your thumb in front of you. Focus on it. See the unique lines of your fingerprint. Focus. Near. Now, look through your thumb. Out to the furthest point you can see. The horizon, a tree, a cloud. Focus. Far. Feel the release in your eye sockets. Snap back to the thumb. Engage. Jump back to the horizon. Release. Do this rhythmically. In and out. Contract and expand. You are pumping life back into the lens. Take one final blink and open wide. If you practice this 3-minute ritual daily, here is what unfolds. Day 1 to 3. You notice lights seem brighter. The heaviness behind your eyes begins to lift. Reading feels lighter. Week 1. Your visual stamina returns. You can focus longer without fatigue. You stop squinting instinctively. Month 1. This is where the transformation happens. Your eagle eye potential is awake. You see details others miss. You feel a sense of sharpness, not just in your vision, but in your mind. You are younger, not in years, but in clarity. Your vision is a gift. It connects you to the beauty of this world, and it is never too late to polish the lens. Begin today, then come back tomorrow and share what you noticed. Comment below. I am ready to see. Let's create a wave of clarity across the world through one clear gaze. Thank you for spending this time with me. Look up, look far, and see the world anew.